What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and quick little review of the Cosmic Red PS5 Dualsense controller. Now I told myself I wasn't going to buy this one because I have the white one that came with the console, and then I bought the midnight black about a month ago, but I ended up caving because I'm a completionist. I have to have all of the available things of a set, plus it just looks really cool, and the accent color of my studio is red, so it definitely fits the whole theme. But anyways, this controller goes for 95 Canadian dollars, which is $5 more than the midnight black and the white controller. Yes, Sony did up the price by $5 for whatever reason. And one other thing before we unbox the controller is that this is the exact same controller as the launch day one, meaning that the drift problems that have been occurring with the original controller are definitely going to be present with this one. There is literally nothing changed besides the paint job. In my midnight black controller unboxing, a lot of people were asking that, but no, it's literally like the exact same controller. I wish they did make a few improvements, but they didn't. But anyways, let's go ahead and unbox the Cosmic Red PS5 controller. Okay, so here is the box. You can see the red DualSense controller right on the front, PlayStation and Sony logos, DualSense wireless controller for the PS5. There's the side, so of course it's compatible with the PlayStation 5. There's the back of the box, the other side, the top, and the bottom. Now let's open it up. Alright, so it comes in a little mini pizza box here. Open it up, and there's the controller. Oh baby, this looks nice. It's definitely not like a cherry red that a lot of people were anticipating when the controller trailer dropped. This is more of like almost a maroon, almost like a burgundy. It almost looks like it has a little bit of a pink tint as well, which is kind of weird, but from afar it's definitely going to look a little bit more red. Like, just for comparison, this is the PS4 DualShock red controller, and then this is the PS5 Cosmic Red. You can clearly see there's a big difference between the reds. Cosmic Red, I guess, is more maroon, versus the PS4 controller is definitely like a cherry red. I think both look good, but I think this would have looked pretty cool with a cherry red like this. Inside the box, you do get some paperwork as well, and no USB-C cord, which I think would have been a nice touch to include it in the box. You can never have enough USB-C cables. But yeah, that is the controller here, a two-tone design with the Cosmic Red and then black on the bottom. I just love the feeling of a new controller. This feels so good. The button logos are in pink. There's a bottom view, so the black wraps around the bottom. There's the back of the controller. You've got Sony written on there with the black triggers and the USB-C port on the top. And I gotta say, this does look pretty cool. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I just wish it was a little bit more red, but you know, whatever. And there is all of the available colorways that the PS5 DualSense controller comes in. Leave a comment down below of which one is your favorite. I gotta say, mine is probably still the black. I just think it looks really clean, but at the same time the white looks pretty good, and then at the same time the red, the Cosmic Red, is definitely growing on me. I don't know, it's a tough decision, but let me know down below what your favorite is. So far I haven't run into any drift problems because I'm not really like a hardcore button smasher or anything, and I like to rotate between my controllers. That's why I bought this one as well, just to prevent some damage. You know, every other day I'll switch the controllers out, and yeah, hopefully I never run into a drifting problem. But so far those are the controllers that I own for the PlayStation 5. Cosmic Red, of course, is the newest addition. And that's it for the actual unboxing of the controller. Now let's go ahead and set it up with the PS5. So all you need is a USB-C cable, plug it into the controller, and into the PS5. Press the PlayStation button, and that is pretty much it. Then we just gotta do a software update, and it's ready to go. So guys, that's it for the Cosmic Red PS5 controller. It's a pretty solid color, but I do wish it was a little bit more red. A nice cherry red is actually my favorite color, so I was really hoping that the controller would look like that, but this maroon or burgundy is just fine. It's not a bad color by any means, but it's just not the red that I was looking for specifically. It's pretty sweet, there's just not much to it, like it's just a controller. It's the exact same controller from the PS5 launch day, just in a different colorway. There's nothing special about it besides the colorway itself. So if you guys are a fan of red or maroon, burgundy, this is going to be a really awesome controller for you. And this is the other brand new controller, which is Midnight Black. And I gotta say, both are pretty solid options. You're just looking at $5 more for this one. We've got some pretty cool colorways with the PS5 DualSense controllers so far, and I'm really excited to see what Sony releases in the future. And hopefully they allow for customizable controllers soon as well, because Xbox did it, and I think Sony would benefit a lot from customizability. But I guess we'll just have to wait and see see, but for now we have the whites, the midnight black, and the cosmic red. Like I said earlier in the video, let me know down below what your favorite colorway is, and what do you think about cosmic red? Are you a fan of it? Do you hate it? Do you wish it was the same red that they used for the PS4 DualShock, or do you like the new color right here? So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you like and subscribe. Lots of content coming, but for now, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.